This is your mini lecture on how to set up Word for your essays, outlines, whatever. I am going to do another one for outlines to show you how to do that content, but this will get you through your rough drafts and your essays. Okay, so we're going to start with your font. You'll click here. All your fonts are here. Mine happens to be at the top, but I'm going to show you. Just scroll down. They're in alphabetical order. Go and find Times New Roman. And of course, you find your number 12. Then for your paragraph, actually, let's wait on that. Once you get a layout first, margins is over here. Click on that. Go to ones all the way around, top, left, bottom, and right. Make sure it's on that. All right. Then you'll go back to home. You'll go to your paragraph. Make sure your alignment says left and not right. You want to keep it on left. Make sure there's nothing in here that says none. These are zeros. Make sure these are zeros. Lots of times they'll be on 8 or 5 on default for some reason. Make sure that they say 0. Make sure that this is on double, not single. And hit set as default. Then you're going to click all documents based on the normal template and hit OK. This sets you up for this to always be set this way. You can always go back and change it if you need to use a different font or a different number or single space or anything of that nature. But you want to always keep it set this way because I'm going to tell you 9 out of 10 of your essays for college are going to be done in this style. So you might as well just leave it there. And that way you don't have to change it every time. Okay? So I'm going to go in and show you how to do your heading. You're going to put your name, your instructor's name, which in this case, of course, is me. You're going to put the name of assignment here. Then you'll put your class name, which of course in this case, I'm just showing you the class name. In this case, is going to be English 101. Then you would put your date here. This is your due date. Okay. Now, if you're working on a rough draft and say you've done your peer reviews, you've gotten some feedback from me, whatever, you've integrated into your rough draft. Remember to go back and change your due date, okay? If you still have a rough draft date on there, I'm going to assume that you changed nothing from your rough draft to your final draft. That's a bad thing. You don't want to do that. So make sure you change that date, okay? Then you're going to hit your enter button one time. Then you're going to go up here and hit your center button. And you're going to put your title. T-I-T-L-E, but that is not your real title. Remember, your title should be creative and catch your reader's eye. You're going to hit your enter button one time. You're going to go back up here and left justify. That time you're going to hit your tab button and you're going to start writing your paragraph. Do. Okay. Pretend you've written 5 sentences. You hit your enter button. You're going to tab again. You're going to write another paragraph. Hit your button. Tab again. And that is how your paper should look as far as tabs go. There are no extra spaces in between those things. It should look just like this. Now, to create your heading, okay, you're going to go up here and click in this space at the top, that 1-inch margin. You're going to go over here to page number. You're going to go to top of page. You're going to go to plain number 3 is usually where it's at, but you want where the page number is on this side, the right side. You're going to put your name in there. You're going to hit the space bar once. You got to come back down to your page, hit twice. Now, I'm going to show you something else. Go back into that header. You're going to go over here and you're going to put different first page. Now watch what happens. It looks like it disappeared, right? Hit your enter bar. All the way down. See what showed up on your second page? It's not on your first page, but it is on your second page. And that's the way it's supposed to be in MLA style. You should not have your name and page number on the first page. Your name's already there. Obviously, it's your first page, or your title and your heading wouldn't be on it. So that is how you set up for your outline, your rough draft, and all that, your heading and all that. But your paragraphs should be set up with just a tab and no extra spaces in between them, okay? So that's what that should look like. If you have any questions, you can call me and we can do a Google Meet or a Canvas conference to go any further if you need it, all right? All right, bye guys.